Hi, I'm Paul Poteet. Welcome to We Grow Hair Indy Medical Center, the brand new facility here at the Pyramids. We're going to go inside and see what it will be like when you come here on the day of your procedure. We're going to meet up with our old friend Darren Andrews on the other side. You ready? You'll know all about it by the time we're all done. Okay, Darren!
Paul,
good to see you.
You too,
So this is where it all starts. This would be the first place you would see on the day of your procedure.
Yeah, this is the medical assistant's office. So this is where you're greeted when you come in, as you probably recall. So a little bit of basic pre-procedure stuff on the day. Then it's through into the pre-procedure room where the hairline design starts and some of the more intricate part of the day begins. So
now it's going to get good.
Right.
Follow us.
Come on through. So this is where the artistry and the design of things really starts, Paul. So as you may recall from your procedure day, this is where the hairline design is done, where we're taking measurements from the facial structure, and which dictates how and where your hairline should go.
I mean, taking a long look at the shape of your face and then trying to give you an idea of the way your hairline would be.
Yeah, because as you age, your facial structure changes, but obviously what we're doing is permanent, it's natural. So we want to think long term, not just looking good in a year, 2 years, but 5, 10, 15, 20 years is important.
Where are we going next?
Well, now we're going to where the magic actually happens, so through to the procedure rooms. So whether it's the ARTAS robotic FUE or the multi-unit hair grafting, we've really tried to set things up, latest technology, comfort level for the patient, of course, and our doctors and teams. So,
okay, I had the multi-unit hair grafting. Those rooms are off in this direction.
They are. We have 2 rooms over there for the multi-unit. That's about 70% of what we do. But obviously we do the ARTAS robotic FUE as well, which is the most advanced FUE hair transplant in the world.
That's this very impressive piece of machinery that we're seeing right now.
The robot, exactly. So everything is set up, as I said, comfort level for the patient, but also for our staff and our team. So making sure that they're comfortable and relaxed and fresh when they're carrying out the procedures. So these are break rooms and doctors' offices over here. But after the procedure, you come down to the post-procedure room. This is where we go over your post-procedure directions for that night.
You get comfortable, you're sitting down here and you've got a little stool set up too.
You've been sitting down for a while, right? So you want to snack, you want to rehydrate a little bit. Someone comes and picks you up, as you may recall, so we go over your basic directions for that evening. We've been through the procedure. We understand it's not just about getting through the procedure, it's about being with you the whole way through. So we're going to call and check in on you that night. You're back you're back the next day for a wash and check of the transplant area. This is an exciting time because you come in, you look in the mirror and you see all the new hair, and you can kind of envisage how it's going to be.
And once you're done in here, you're never really done. The treatment will continue, but when you actually physically leave the building, you've thought about the way that works too.
Yeah, the flow is important and privacy is important. So we've kind of set the space up in a way to sort of encapsulate everything in this space. So side entry to the building, staying just within the medical suite here, so you can come and go literally from the same entry point, which is really nice. All right, so we are leaving the medical suite.
Okay, medical suite into the near the front entrance again.
Yeah, so the same entry point, and again, we're all set up here from a flow point of view for privacy and efficiency, and sort of we do a lot of high-profile people, a lot of everyday people. Privacy is really important, so I've kind of set it up that way, and we're really proud of it.
So there's an entrance right off to the side here. Yep. You must be really excited about the new digs.
Very excited. This is a culmination of 15 years helping people look and feel better about their hair and latest technology, but at the end of the day, it's about the people, right? So I'm very proud of the facility and the team we have and people we have and how we help people. We change people's lives.
Well, it's built on the success of all the people like me, like him, that have gone through the doors before, so thank you for letting us behind the new doors.
Paul, thank you very much. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scene tour of We Grow Hair Indy.